Struggling to clean tight spaces like stairs, sofas, and those hard-to-reach corners? In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best handheld vacuums designed for effortless cleaning. These compact yet powerful vacuums tackle dust, pet hair, and debris with ease. No heavy lifting required. Stay tuned to find the perfect cleaning companion for your home. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Yisora N300 Cordless Vacuum. The Yisora N300 is a powerful 20 kPa cordless vacuum, designed for effortless cleaning. With a 175W motor, it tackles dirt, pet hair, and dust on carpets, hardwood, and upholstery. Its ultra-lightweight build, under 3 kilograms, ensures easy handling for all users. Powered by a 2,200 mAh Li-ion battery, it delivers up to 40 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. The bagless design features a 0.6L dust box, making emptying quick and hassle-free. Plus, the HEPA filtration system traps fine dust, improving air quality. The LED headlight brush reveals hidden dirt, while the corner folding brush reaches tight spaces. It's a 6-in-1 vacuum, adaptable for various cleaning needs. With 2 storage options and a quiet 65 dB operation, the Yisora N300 is a smart choice for any home. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner space effortlessly. Number 4. Devoac V50 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Devoac V50 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers powerful 20 kPa suction with a 200W motor, making cleaning effortless. It features 2 suction modes, perfect for tackling dust, debris, and pet hair. Plus, at just 60 dB, it operates quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance. Equipped with a 5-stage HEPA filtration system, it captures over 99.99% of dust and allergens, keeping indoor air fresh. The 1-liter dust bin empties with a single click, making disposal quick and hygienic. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver. The rechargeable 2,200 mAh battery provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean multiple rooms in one go. The LED-lit brush reveals hidden dirt, while the 180-degree swivel head reaches tight corners with ease. Its 6-in-1 versatility transforms it into a handheld vacuum for cars, furniture, and ceilings. The Devoac V50 is lightweight, efficient, and designed for all surfaces. Get yours today for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 3. Abir VC205 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Abir VC205 Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, the perfect tool for deep cleaning your home. Equipped with a powerful 27,000 PA suction, this vacuum effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and debris from any surface. It features a smart dust sensor that automatically adjusts suction power based on the dust detected, ensuring efficient cleaning every time. With its ultra-big touchscreen, users can easily monitor the vacuum's performance. A red ring light indicates dust detection, while a blue light shows when the surface is clean. The vacuum's auto-speed control optimizes cleaning efficiency. The VC205 is a versatile tube-in-1 handheld and vertical vacuum with multiple brush heads, including a mite removal brush, crevice nozzle, and a floor brush with LED lights. It offers up to 40 minutes of battery life and is ideal for quick, hassle-free cleaning with its bagless dust storage system. Perfect for homes, apartments, and more. Number 2. ILIFE W90 Cordless Washing Mop Robot. The ILIFE W90 Cordless Wireless Wet-Dry Cleaning Smart Washing Mop Robot. This advanced cleaning solution features a powerful 5,500 pascal suction, ensuring that your floors are not only cleaned but deeply sanitized. With its unique wet and dry function, the W90 effortlessly tackles both liquids and dust, making it perfect for all types of messes. One of the standout features is its large dual water tank, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without the need for frequent refills. The robot self-cleaning function, which takes just 1 minute, ensures convenience and saves time. Its intuitive LCD screen displays important cleaning information and makes adjustments simple. Designed to be lightweight, the W90 is perfect for homes of all sizes, and with its wireless setup, you can clean without being limited by cords. With a 30-minute battery life, this efficient mop robot makes home cleaning easier than ever. Number 1. Dreame V10 Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Dreame V10 Handheld Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and portable cleaning solution. This vacuum offers up to 1.5 hours of battery life, giving you ample time to tackle your cleaning tasks without interruptions. With its cyclone filter technology, it ensures effective suction that picks up dust and debris effortlessly. The vacuum's bagless design and dust cup make it easy to empty and clean after each use. The multifunctional combined brush head provides versatility for various surfaces, including carpets, making it ideal for homes with different flooring types. Its lightweight design allows for easy handheld use, and the wireless feature gives you the freedom to move around without being restricted by cords. With its efficient cleaning route and robust performance, the Dreame V10 is a top choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine while achieving great results.